Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and I am down in a crawl space here in Millsboro and want to show you the perfect time to encapsulate because this customer is pretty much nailing it. So I'm down in this crawl space and they got good coverage with a new vapor barrier that's over the ground. They have good R19 encapsulated bat insulation in the subfloor. It's very new and everything is in great condition. You can see that they have bubble wrap that's been put on all the AC trunk lines. Everything is in great condition. So they already have moisture coming through the block here, and what you see there is efflorescence on the bottom. That's what all that white mineral deposit is. So that is not mold. Now they have a whole bunch of open vents, as you can see, but this will quickly deteriorate and all the insulation will end up falling down and the HVAC system will end up getting destroyed if the moisture sources aren't corrected completely and the relative humidity taken under control. So right now they're getting quotes for encapsulating, and this is the perfect stage because they will save a ton of money on remediation and things, and not having to re-insulate the trunk line of the HVAC system or replace any other flex duct work. So this is the exact stage that most people should be getting encapsulation because it will save thousands and thousands of dollars by just getting the added protection before everything's damaged and ruined. So if you are looking to have your crawl space encapsulated or have any water issues in your crawl space, or if you don't believe that you do right now and you have a new home, or give us a call so we can get everything taken care of beforehand. Save your money, save the money of a costly remediation on top of having to do an encapsulation. Give us a call, 302-321-7077, or find us on the web at hydrohero.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day.